Hello guys. So today we are going to learn how to install Ubuntu using pen drive. So stay tuned.
So to do that, all we need is a pen drive, either 16 GB or 8 GB. Here I have is a 16 GB pen drive. So let's begin.
So first of all, you need to go to your browser. Here you have to type google.com. On Google you have to type Ubuntu. This will take you to the official site of Ubuntu. Just open it. Here you need to go to download and then you will find this 22.04 LTS. Just click that and this will be downloaded. Okay, so I am just cancelling it as I already downloaded it earlier. And then we have to open another tab. Again, go to Google, just type Rufus. This will take you to the Rufus site. Click on the Rufus link. From here, you have to download this software Rufus 3.22. Click it and it is downloaded, which is already I have downloaded it. Okay, so let's go to the download folder. So here we have Rufus as well as Ubuntu. So click in Rufus. Okay, close all the windows. You will find this interface when you click Rufus. After this, first you need to connect your pen drive to your CPU or laptop. The pen drive which I showed you earlier, which I have already connected to my CPU. Here you can see it's a 16 GB pen drive which I have formatted it. If it is not formatted, just click on this, right click on this and then format it. Okay. After that, come here. It will automatically detect whichever pen drive you have inserted. If it doesn't detect, then you will be getting the options to select it. After this, on the second option, you have to select the file which we have downloaded, that is the Ubuntu file. Okay, and then here is the main thing. Here you need to focus it. This MBR partition is for the older laptops, maybe up to third generation. After fourth generation, we have option GPT. The MBR is for legacy options, which BIOS is having legacy. You can select MBR. If you are using fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, or eighth up to 10th generation, then better go for GPT. Okay, the latest generation laptop uses UEFI BIOS. So select this and then click start. Either you can click start or you can choose it NTFS. Okay, click start and then this pop-up will come. Just click OK. And then it will give another pop-up. It says warning, all the data on device will be deleted. Click OK. And then the creation of bootable pen drive has been started. Just wait and watch. Okay, so our pen drive is ready now to be installed. Once it completes its process, it will show ready. After this, you have to close it and you have to pull out your pen drive. So after this video, I'm going to show you practically how you can install Ubuntu by using this pen drive.
So here we have the laptop where we are going to install Ubuntu, which we prepared just now. So here is the pen drive. We will put the pen drive on the laptop. Okay. And before that, we will check it out. What is the configuration of the laptop so that we can match it. Let's see what is the configuration. So configuration of the laptop is 4 GB RAM, i5 4th generation. So it's a UEFI BIOS, and I think it is sufficient to install Ubuntu. We already have Windows 10 here in this laptop. So let's shut down this, restart this laptop. Okay, after restarting, we need to press F1 until it goes to BIOS. Okay, here we need to focus as we have to do some changes in the BIOS. Then only our boot will start automatically. So here I have pressed F1 and then the screen has come to BIOS. So here on the BIOS menu you need to focus on 2-3 things. First you need to go to configure by pressing the right arrow key. After that you need to go to USB. Click enter. Here you can see it says USB UEFI BIOS support. That means this laptop supports UEFI. After this press escape button and then you go to security. Same way click right arrow key and then it goes to security. Here you have to go to secure boot. Press down arrow key and you'll go to secure boot. Click enter, and here this option has to be disabled to install the OS. Okay, so here we already disabled it. Then again press escape. After pressing escape, just go to startup. In a startup we have a first option called boot. So here you need to make changes. Okay, just click on the boot, enter, and then see on the 4th number our pen drive is listed. Okay, so either we can change it by pressing F6 or plus minus sign to number 1 position, or you can just exit by pressing escape button, which we are going to do. Okay, after this you press F10. Save configuration changes and exit now. Just click yes, and now wait for the screen to go off. And after this you have to click F12. If you click F12, it will go to the one-time boot menu, meaning your laptop will ask to boot from where. So since we have ISO file ready to be installed as a Ubuntu, we have to choose our pen drive. Okay, which is in the 3rd position. Click down arrow, hit enter. Now our installation has started. Okay, here we have 4 options. After pressing it, just select Ubuntu. Now the Ubuntu installation has been started. Now this installation may take 15 to 20 minutes. Just keep a watch and stay tuned. So here it is asking some details which we need to select. It is asking for the language. We have selected English language, and then here just click this option, install Ubuntu. Okay, and then it will ask again keyboard layout. Just let it be as it is, then click continue. Right now do not connect to the internet, just let it be as it is and then press continue. It asks for what apps would you like to install to start with. Just let it be as it is, click continue. again continue. Install Ubuntu alongside Windows Boot Manager. It is asking whether we need both. Uh, it says that whether you want to install only Ubuntu or you want to keep your existing Windows as it is. If you keep your OS, previous OS, Windows 10 as it is, then each time you start your Windows, it will ask which Windows you want to open. That means it's a dual boot. Whether you want Windows 10 or Ubuntu, both will function at a time. Okay. So for that we need to select the first option, or if you want only Ubuntu in your system, then you have to select the second option, that is erase disk and install Ubuntu. Here you have to click advanced features. Click this and then select second option. If it is already selected, leave it. Otherwise, select this second option, then click OK. After this, click install now. After this, click continue. Then it will ask which location are you into. Just type India, whichever location you are, click that location, then select that location and then click enter, hit enter, and after that continue. Now this window will appear. Just give any name, whichever your name is, whatever your name is. Then if you want password, give the password 1234. Confirm password 1234. Okay. If you don't want the password system, just select the first one. Okay, here we are given password, so second option, or else we can select the first option also. Log automatically. Okay, then continue. Okay, so installation has begun. Just wait and watch. The installation is about to be finished. We'll wait it. So the installation has been completed. As you can see, it is asking for restart. Now you can restart it, and that's all. It will be ready to be used. So the computer has been restarted. So that's all, guys. The Ubuntu has been installed and it is ready to be used. Okay, so regarding the installation, if you have any doubt, then write on the comment section and let me know if any confusion. Okay, so if you like my video and if you found this video informative, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching.